In medical device development, verification and validation are not paperwork milestones. They are the moments where your engineering claims become real. Verification proves the device meets its design requirements. Validation proves it meets the clinical need. You need both to earn the trust of surgeons, regulators, investors, and ultimately the patients who depend on your product. Implants demand some of the most rigorous V&V in the industry. Worst-case geometry must be used for all mechanical testing because the thinnest cross-section often determines long-term safety. Fatigue testing under simulated anatomical loading defines whether the implant survives years of real use. Surface coatings and finishes must withstand corrosion, abrasion, cleaning chemicals, and worst-case wear conditions because coating failure in vivo can lead to particulate debris, inflammation, or early revision. Packaging validation is equally critical. Sterile barrier integrity must survive transportation, vibration, temperature cycles, humidity, and full shelf life aging. If packaging fails, the implant fails before it ever reaches the patient. Pumps and electromechanical devices bring another layer of complexity. Dose accuracy must be maintained across aging batteries, temperature extremes, occlusions, back pressure scenarios, variable viscosities, and shock events like accidental drops. Alarm timing must be validated under the exact conditions where patients rely on the alert, high humidity, electrical noise, low battery, or sensor drift. Safe failure behavior must be proven, not assumed. Hardware and software must show they can enter a safe state when sensors misread, communication is lost, firmware glitches occur, or mechanical components stall. Validation must confirm real-world usability. Setup steps, alarm interpretation, refill procedures, and emergency responses must work reliably for trained users under stress. Good V&V inspires confidence at every level. Surgeons see durability they can trust. Hospital leadership sees reliability that minimizes liability and downtime. Regulators see objective evidence instead of assumptions. Investors see that the product is engineered for real clinical environments, not just for the bench. At Concise Engineering, we build V&V strategies that reveal problems early, align testing with risk management and regulatory expectations, and demonstrate performance under worst-case, clinically relevant conditions. Let's prove your device works where it matters most, not just in the lab, but in the realities of patient care.